You can quickly add data to your worksheet with Excel for iPhone's data series tools. You can, for example, create a standard data series that goes up in increments of 1. You can also create weekday lists and automatically fill out tables with existing formulas. So from my worksheet below, if I would like to auto-fill out a column, for example in numerical order, I'm going to go to the left-hand side and select the cell under ID. Once I've done this, I'm going to double select the cell, and I'm going to insert a 1. To do this, I can go down to the bottom left-hand corner and select the 1, 2, 3 icon and insert a 1. If I would like to insert a 2, I'm going to select just below and insert a number 2. After I've done this, I can select the green check symbol found in the top right-hand corner. Now, in order to auto-fill out a column, you'll need at least 2 cells of data values. After you have this, you can select your first cell, and then you can hold down the circle found in the bottom right-hand corner and select the second cell in the range. After you've selected your cells, you'll see that you have a context menu that pops up in black. If you go to the right-hand side of this menu, you'll find an arrow going towards the right. You'll find in the center menu that you have the option Fill. I'm going to select Fill, and once this has been done, you'll see instead of circles, now you have squares in the top left-hand corner and the bottom right-hand corner. If I go down to the bottom right-hand corner and hold down that square with my finger and drag it down to the cells below, you can see that those values will automatically fill out, and if I let go with my finger at the bottom, I can see that data has already filled out.